happening, mi gente? Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC poppy. Guys, listen, as you already know, it's summertime, baby. It's AC season, and Louie the Boiler Man, his office is out of AC. We're fucking sweaty. That's right, guys. So we're burning calories. But yeah, my staff, they need AC because, listen, it's hot in there. It's a scorcher. So right now, we're about to go upstairs on the roof because we have 2 mini splits indoor units, 1 outdoor condenser, and it's a Comfort Star unit. So I installed this myself many years ago. Now we're having an issue for the first time. So now we got to figure out the problem. So we're getting an error code PO. And I called tech support and they told me, Louie, it's either you have an open discharge temperature sensor or you have a bad module. So it's one of the two. So we don't know yet. Right now, we got to go upstairs on the roof. We got to open up the unit and we got to do a resistance reading or ohm reading. So guys, that's exactly what we're about to do. That's exactly what we're going to do right now. So come along with the journey. Join Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC poppy. Let's go. Wepa. Alright guys, so I want to give you a little sneak peek of what's going on. So we checked the temperature sensors. There's 3 sensors here, one on the discharge line, one on the liquid side, one on the liquid line, and one on the suction side, and there's one on the U-bend. There's all the way in the back end unit. So there's 3 in total. So we checked them out and they're all checking out okay. So the next thing is we have to check out the actual board. Just to let you know, there's 2 control boards here, guys. One is an inverter board and one is the main control board. So the main control board is this one right here, and the inverter board is just the one here on the bottom. So guys, another thing is, whenever you're doing any type of troubleshooting, you always want to make sure the power is off, guys. I got fucking shocked, and then I thought the guy shut off the power, and I got shocked. So safety, safety, safety. I cannot stress enough, safety is first. Another thing is, even though you shut the power to the actual condenser, which I was told from tech support directly from Comfort Star, it's a Comfort Star unit, he told me, even though you shut down the power, it still holds charge for at least 10 minutes. So before we start working on the actual unit, we have to wait about 10, I would like to stay safe, 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure there's no charge and we're gonna work safely, because I don't wanna get hurt. I don't want one of my techs get hurt, and I definitely don't wanna get the fucking shock of my life, guys. So, I got shocked, that shit woke me up. My palito went whoop, it went up, baby. So, we don't want that. What else? So right now, we're just in the waiting stage. We're about 5 minutes in, another 10 minutes to go. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll let you know what's going on. right, mi gente, so I got bad news, guys. So I have a bad compressor, and also I have a bad main control module or main control board. So, and it's a little weird, guys, because typically when you check the one of the terminal, which is a common start run terminal, to ground, typically that's a dead short, right? And if you have a dead short, it usually pops the breaker. But my breaker didn't pop for whatever reason. I don't know, but I confirmed not once, not twice, 3 times, and I was with tech support. I know how to do it, but I just wanted to, you never know, you can make a mistake. So I just want to triple check myself, and sure enough, I have continuity between the terminal and ground, which is actually an internal dead short. It's a bad compressor. I just don't understand why it's not popping the breaker. Hey, who knows? But it is what it is, guys. So I am going to make another video. I'm going to show you guys what we need to do to replace the compressor and what we have to do to replace the control board. So guys, we cannot do that today, but that's another day. That's for another video, guys. So I hope this brings you some sort of value. Just in case you didn't know, it's a Comfort Star mini split. All the mini splits to me are the same mierda, if you ask me, but they're slightly different. So you should definitely call the manufacturer if you're not sure, or call tech support. They'll definitely give you a hand and help you out. But most importantly, guys, do due diligence. Go online and actually get the wire diagram or the schematics, and that will help you. It'll make life so much easier, guys. So with that being said, guys, without further ado, hit that bell button. No, smash that bell button. Leave a comment below. Subscribe. That's right, guys. And till next time, wepa!